G'day, welcome back to another video. In this video we got some Marwan tyres here. Received the package about a week ago actually, from Marwan. So basically he's released some narrow tyres, the new ones, the square blocks. They're the, sorry I'm reading my cheat sheet over here, the W5031. So from back in the day. So the idea is, with a full set of these, and we got the OT66s over here, so you can make your Turbo Optima mid special more special, basically make it look more vintage. Now I would have done this video straight away, the only thing was I had no spare wheels, so I ordered a couple of sets of wheels. I got them, so I got the OTH245Y, they're the rears, and the OTH249Y for the front. So I got those there, and same thing, two sets. So we got the reading my cheat sheet again. For a long time now he's had the W5034, the square block, looking very good. And now, yeah, of course we've got the W5031, which looks quite fantastic as well. And yeah, to make the kit complete, because back in the day it came with the square blocks and it also came with the pins. So he sent me two sets, which is mighty fine. So we got the OT66, the rears, look very nice. And I've actually used a couple of different sets of those on my, what was it on? Oh, the Outrage. And hang on, around here somewhere, on this beast right here. That's what we got on here. We got the OT66 on the Pagu Store alloy wheels. So yeah, on the Optima Pro there. And he's also got the fronts, which are a W5033, or basically a narrow OT66. So they'll go on the front wheels, of course. So yeah, I've been buying Marwan tyres for many years now. I've done quite a few restorations using them, Kyosho ones. Yeah, done the Javelin, came up very nice, and also did the Optima, same tyres of course, very nice. And I've got some tyres for the, if I ever get around to restoring it, I've got some tyres for the Circuit 1000 Advance and Assault, both of them. And if you look up here on the Mad Van, got some 1/8 scale tyres on that. They just look sick. From memory, they're HPI wheels. And yeah, if you can get the wheels on them, if you get the tyres onto those wheels, you don't need to go to gym anymore. Oh, that was a mission. But yeah, as you can tell, it looks very tough. Yeah, a quick look at his website. He's got the tyres, and you've got decals, of course. And he's even got these full restoration sets that he's starting to make. Like he got Turbo Ultima, so you got the tyres, you got the decals there, and you've also got the wing and the body. Now you might be wondering if it's okay to drive your vintage buggy with these Reproduction tyres on. I found they work great. They're like 100%, you know, like the originals. They wear well, nice and grippy, and yeah, they just work. And yeah, they've always been a great quality product, and yeah, I really don't know what we do restoring Kyosho cars, you know, without someone like Marwan doing this. So big thumbs up to Marwan. So naturally I'll leave a link in the description to Marwan's website, and you can go and check it out. Now this box just dropped over here. Don't know where it came from. Anyway, another thing Marwan does is bodies and decals. So I've got a couple of sets here. Same ones, but a couple of sets. Got the Turbo Ultima and Ultima Pro body. So there you go. That's the body. All the lines and everything are all very nice. It's going to be easy to cut, easy to see the lines. And there's the little wing that goes up over the back here, like that. And we've got a wing. get it out. So there's our wing. It's for same again, Turbo Optima or Optima Pro. Oops, out of control here. And you can buy these in sets. You can buy the decals or the bodies separate, or you can buy them as a set. And I bought 2 sets quite a while ago. Now here's the decals. Decals I find are very nice for the Turbo Optima. I'm not sure that he has Optima Pro decals just yet. Actually, he does have Optima Pro decals right on the front page of his website. And there you go. And if you compare them to the MCI decals, MCI usually use red and it's supposed to be orange. I actually prefer the red, but orange is how it should be. And one thing I did notice on the MCI decals, it's missing the 2-wheel drive sticker there. Goes on either side of the wing. So Marwan's got those on it. As far as I know, that's 100% complete how it should be. I do have an original one up there in the box, but I'm not going to bother pulling that out right now. Maybe that'll come up later and we can compare them, but I'm pretty sure it's 100%. So yeah, we've got the W5031, the W5034, and the OT66, and the 5033, or the narrow OT66. So what I'll do there, I'll go and fit these all to the wheels and we can have a look at it on the car, and I'll also do the tyre lettering. There is something you need to know about the tyre lettering. Like Bridgestone is spelt wrong. It's actually yeah, the D is I don't know if you can see that, but the D is kind of like a like an O or a 0, and the what should be a G is actually a C. So you just get your pen and just change it, and it comes up, as you can see, comes up reasonably well. I believe that's done due to licensing issues or whatever, but you don't really notice it. So yeah, I'll get all these tyres mounted up on the wheels. We can swap the wheels, have a bit of a look, and that'll be that. So after a bit of time doing the tyre lettering, and my eyes are about to fall out of my head, there they are, they're all done. Now, I didn't do the best job in the world here on the tyre lettering, but I fixed up those letters in Bridgestone, so they're all fixed up and looking reasonably good. So there's the Turbo Optima Mid Special with the OT66 type tyres on it. Looking good, looking very vintage. And there it is with the square blocks on it. Magnificent. I think Marwan's done a fine job with these tyres. So that's it. That's how it looks. It's all done. Looks quite vintage, I think. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. I think he does a great job with all the tyres and the bodies and decals. So that's about it for this video. I think it's looking pretty good. Very nice. So as I said before, I'll leave a link in the description to marwanRC's website. You can go check him out. And yeah, I need to get on there and buy some more stuff. Alright, catch you later.